What's going on, you guys? Hope you're all having a great day. Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, a little change of scenery for this video. And also, by the title of this video, I am finally supercharging my Mustang. After a little over 2 years of driving it naturally aspirated, having a ton of fun, I decided to bite the bullet and order myself a supercharger. So basically, today's video, I'm gonna make it super quick. It's 90 degrees out, I'm sweating. I'm just gonna go over a little bit of the supercharger, what I picked, why I picked it, and show you guys some stuff in it, like the actual supercharger and the supporting stuff that I bought for it. But yeah, let's get into it. So first off, of course, you had to get yourself a boost gauge. So I got a auto meter, a mechanical boost gauge, nothing crazy. Didn't want anything, you know, too complicated. I read about some stuff where you can hook up the end gauge and reboost that way, and I just went old-fashioned. Gonna put it in the pillar, and will look very nice. Get a quick little shot there. Also, went with a JMS fuel pump booster. So with this kit, I'm only gonna be running 93. A very basic setup. So all you need is a booster pump, fuel pump booster. So nothing super crazy, and there it is for you guys, all that goodness. Now let's get to the good stuff. So I went with an ESS G3 kit. They're pretty new to Mustangs. I was looking into Paxton's, but ESS just had really good deals, and I wanted something a little bit different than what everyone else had. Everyone's running Vortex, Pro Chargers, Paxton, which those are great superchargers, but I wanted something a little bit different. Also really liked how the supercharger was mounted on the right side. A lot of people said it's easier for belt changes, pulley changes, so I said why not, and I ordered it. Took a little bit longer than expected. They were out of stock when I purchased it, but it took, I would say, probably a little over 2 weeks, 3 weeks to get shipped here, which I mean, definitely is not bad. I've heard people waiting for months for a supercharger, so let's get into it. So obviously you got all your paper here to protect it, and here you go. Like I said, it's gonna be a super basic setup, nothing crazy. Pump gas. I went with the 7.5 psi rated pulley, so I'll be making about 10 psi, 9 psi at the high RPMs. Tuned by Lund, obviously, and probably pushing about low 600s, anywhere from 600 to 650 if I had to guess. But let's open her up and show you guys the supercharger. And here she is in all her beauty. Like I said, this is the G2 kit, which is, I believe, good up to 800 horsepower, they say. Obviously with upgrades. Beautiful, nice finish. Put her back in the box. So like I said, I'm not gonna go too in depth with this video in the whole kit. However, if you do have any questions, you're thinking about getting an ESS supercharger, definitely feel free to ask me questions in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. This is my first time supercharging a car, so I'm not super knowledgeable, but I've done a lot of research, watched a lot of videos, so I kind of know what I'm talking about somewhat. But yeah, if you have questions, absolutely mention me in the comments, because ESS is so new to the Mustang game. Not a whole lot of videos out there, not a whole lot of information about them, so I had that trouble when I was looking into these kits, pulley sizes and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, absolutely feel free to comment and ask me questions. So comes with a K&N air filter. This is your blow-off valve. You do have an option for 2 different ones. I went with the Summit Racing. You get a nice little badge, you got some wiring, your belt, all your tubing and all that kind of stuff, your clamps, you know, everything basic. It came in very nice, very well packaged. I've kind of beat it up, moving it around and taking things out of it. I try not to touch it that much, but you know, super excited. So yeah, it comes with all the oil already, 3 bottles of oils that will last you more than enough. Comes with the filler, everything you need. This kit comes with it. The only thing that did not come with this, my own decision, were the spark plugs, because I was going with NGK, not Brisk. But I believe you can order Brisk plugs right from there. And the kit has everything besides your fuel pump booster and your boost gauge. Those are the only things I needed to buy other than the kit itself. So like I said, super basic setup. Just gonna be driving a nice street car, just gonna be driving on the street, more of a daily, and then obviously later on down the road, definitely going to get some big upgrades and make a lot of power out of it. So the car goes in to get all this put on the 29th of August, Monday, and I should have it Wednesday, and then I will need to get it data logged. But once all that's figured out and taken care of, I'm gonna post a lot of videos, some racing videos out in Mexico, absolutely, and talking about the kit, and I'll definitely go in depth with the kit in the later videos once it's put on. But hope you guys liked the video. Super quick video, but I just wanted to let you guys know, update you guys. Mustang is getting boosted. I'm super excited. I cannot wait. I've been waiting a very long time for this, wanting to do it since I got the car, and finally I got it. So I'm very happy, very excited, and I hope you guys are excited as well, because a lot of content's going to be coming soon, and I'm very happy for the kit, and I'm very excited. It's going to be my first boosted car, so it's going to be scary, but you guys are going to be along for the journey. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys enjoy the video. More content soon to come. Peace. Have a safe day.